This is how to make a complete row of Pascal's triangle on your calculator. So first we want to get a calculator page, and we're going to define a function. So let's suppose we'd like to get, let's say, the row with the 12. So that's going to be basically n choose r 12 comma something. I'm going to make a function that's define, menu, actions, define, or just menu, enter, enter. I'm going to give it a name. I'll call it row because I think that works. And it's going to be row of r, because the row is going to, the n is going to stay the same, and it's going to be r every time. So r, n choose 0, n choose 1, n choose 2. I decided I want the row with the 12. I'm going to go further and call this row 12, and that will make sense to me that it's the row with the 12. I do have to have some variable here. It's got to be a function of something, and it's going to be n choose r, that equals for that. N choose r you can find in the menu, probability, combinations, or you can just type the letters NCR. 12 comma, because it's the row with the 12, r. And so this is a function whose variable input is r. And okay, that's good. If I want now, what's the 12 choose 3, I can do row 12 of 3, and it'll just give me one of them. But I like to see the whole row at once. And I think the easiest way for me to do that is just to make a table of this. So to get a table, you put in a new page, and the type of page that makes tables is list and spreadsheet, because a table is a list of a sort. And this is not a table, but if you go menu from here, you can change it to a table. And now I need to choose a function. And I started with a brand new document here, so the only function that's defined in my document is row 12. If you have something else, you'd have to choose it from the list. I'll just say OK, and oh, that's the row with the 12. It goes 1, 12, 66, blah, blah, blah. Eventually, I will get to 12 choose 12, which is 1. After that, 12 choose 13, the calculator is smart enough to know, well, that's 0. You can't choose 13 things from 12. The formula just produces 0 in these places based on the way the calculator understands it. And on the other side of 0, in fact, it says you can't choose -7 things from 12 either. So one more time, that was define yourself a function, give it a name you can remember. I chose row 12. It needs an input, and that's going to be what varies as we go along. So n choose 0, n choose 1. I like r for that because we say n choose r. And then you didn't actually need this. Go to a table, make yourself a table, which is insert, a list and spreadsheet page, menu, change to table, and then switch, and just choose your function, and just read off your answers, just like that. Hope that is useful to you.